Hello. Hi all. I am Meenakshi, Assistant Professor of Department of Computer Applications and Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we will solve the concept of JSP. Java Servlet Tools. JSP technologies allow developers to create dynamic content by embedding Java code directly into HTML page. JSP is a server-side technology that enable the embedding of Java code directly into the HTML page. This powerful combination allows for the generation of dynamic web content, making web applications more interactive and data-driven. At its core, JSPs are compiled into servlet by the server. This compilation process ensures efficiency in generating dynamic HTML based on user input or backend data, providing a seamless experience for web users. Advantages of JSP over Servlet. Extensions to Servlet. JSP technology extends Servlet capabilities, allowing the use of implicit object, predefined tags, expression language, and custom tags for easier development. Fast development. Modifying a JSP page does not require recompilation and redeployment of the entire project. Unlike servlet code, which need update and recompilation of UI changes. Easy to maintain. JSP facilitates the separation of business logic from presentations logic, simplifying maintenance compared to servlet, where logic is often mixed. Less code. JSP reduces code volume through the use of action tag, custom tag, expression language, and implicit object. Life cycle of JSP page. JSP space undergoes servlet distinct phase from its initial request to its eventual distractions. Understanding this life cycle is crucial for effective JSP development and debugging. Translation. The JSP page is translated into a servlet by the JSP translator. Compilation. The generated servlet is compiled into the class file. Class loading. The class loader loads the compiled class file. Instantiations. An object of the generated servlet is created. Initialization. The container invokes the JSP init method. Request processing. The container invokes JSP service method for each request. JSP page is translated into servlet by the help of JSP translators. The JSP translator is the part of the web server which is responsible for translating JSP page into servlet page. The diagram demonstrates the life cycle of the JSP. Client request goes to the same JSP after using JSP translator to the servlet file, convert to the servlet file. Then compile the file, class files, and servlet object. JSP and Servlet. The servlet are Java classes designed to handle HTTP requests and responses. They form the foundational layer of Java web application, managing the core logic and interacting with the server. JSP and Servlet. JSP and Servlet often work in tandem. JSP is typically utilized for the view or presentation layer, focusing on generating the user interface. Servlet, on the other hand, manage the business logic, processing data, and interacting with the databases. Core component of JSP. Interfaces, classes, JSP init method, and JSP destroy methods. The HTTP JSP page interface extends JSP page and provide the JSP service method invoked for each request to process it.